Hey guys, it's Miss Young. Welcome to Unit 13, Week 1, Day 4. Today we are kind of still reviewing everything we've been learning in Week 1, and we do have a word of the day. So our word of the day is flow. So what does it mean when something can flow? Well, if we think about science and what we know about solids and liquids, we know that liquids can flow, which means they can move from one place to another. Okay? Some liquids that can flow. Water, lemonade, anything you can drink for the most part can flow. Okay, you might have beads that could flow back and forth. So how would we mark the word flow? Well, flow is a one-syllable word, flow, so it only gets one tap. We would scoop the word. Let's get my marker out and I'll write it for you. We're going to scoop the word, circle the O sound, and put the D underneath. Here we know OW. Our options are OA, OE, OW, O, and O-E, but here it is OW. So I'm going to say for my sentence, and remember, you can use, in your sentence, you can use it with a suffix on the end, but I'm just going to use mine plain. I'm going to say, I saw the Okay, so I said, I saw the water flow down the drain, and I marked my word up in my sentence. When you are done watching my video, just like you did the other day, in the comments below, you're going to write the word flow in a sentence. Cannot be the same one as mine. Flow does need to be spelled correctly. Okay, so at this point, you're going to need a whiteboard or a piece of paper, so go ahead and get that. You can pause the video if you need to. Grab those things if you don't already have them. And we're going to get started. So we know our three keyword sounds. We have OW, OA, OE. We have O-E. We also have just plain O. So you have a couple options when you're trying to think of how to spell a word. Our first word is going to be oak. I saw an oak tree in the park. Oak. Oak. Go ahead and write that, mark that up. And then check in with me when you finish. Okay, so for oak, you should have OA. It says it in the beginning of the word. OAK, scoop, D underneath, circle the OA. Okay, our next word is going to be elbow. This is my elbow. Elbow. Think carefully. Clap it out. Elbow. So for elbow, you should have two scoops, elbow. The first scoop is EL, just one L, and then bow. So this is a closed syllable. It says E-ed-e, so we put the verb over the top. O-W gets circled, D underneath. Okay, your next word is tiptoe. This is a compound word. I had to tiptoe so I wouldn't wake anyone up. Tiptoe. 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 Compound word. Think how many claps that is, how many scoops that's going to be. Tiptoe. All right. You should have T-I-P, T-O-E, compound words, they come together. Tiptoe, tiptoe, two claps. So I have tip to I, makes the I sound. I put the C underneath because it's a closed syllable. O-E is one of my vowel teams for O. D underneath, it gets circled. Okay. let's try a sentence. How about that? We haven't done one of those in a while. Okay. Here is your first sentence. Well, we might only do one. Let's just do one. Then we'll do trick words. Our first sentence is, I like this one. This one uses all our trick words this week. My cousin will visit on Monday and Tuesday. 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 Think about what you know about days of the week. My cousin will visit on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, check yours against mine. We know how to spell my. It gets a capital M. It's the beginning of a sentence. Cousin, one of our trick words this week, C-O-U-S-I-N, will visit on Monday. If you did not capitalize the M in Monday or the T in Tuesday, you've spelled it incorrectly. Needs to be capitalized. It's a name. Monday and Tuesday. And, lucky for you, our sentence included our trick words, so you won't have to practice them again. Okay, so what you're going to do is, now that you're done watching the video, in a private comment to me, you're going to give me a sentence with the word flow in it. You can't use my sentence, and you have to spell flow correctly. I look forward to reading your sentences.